Hi guys, good morning. So we just woke up like 30 minutes ago. It's already almost 1 p.m. Actually we woke up around 11:30 a.m. and we decided to get out of the bed probably around almost 12 noon, and now I've already washed my face. I've eaten a slice of bread with spread, and I've drank my coffee. Well, I still have coffee left, a few coffee left in my mug, but I'm finishing it already so that I could get started in packing the clothes. So today is Saturday, and we are going to transfer to the new house. So today is the official day where we transfer all of our stuff to the new house, and I'm really excited. I hope you can't hear the dryer in the background because I'm also washing our linens. The linens, the towels. I still have a lot to wash today. My husband is out today because our plan is I'm going to pack the rest of our stuff and then wash our clothes, do the laundry, and he will go get a van for our boxes. And last night, he already transferred most of our half of our stuff actually in the house. I actually took a video of it and I will be showing it to you right now. I'm going to pack the rest of this stuff, and then I'm going to wait for him to come home, and then when he comes home, we will grill some barbecues for our lunch, although it would be a late lunch, so lunch slash dinner probably. I'm going to clean the rest of the house. Actually, I'm already done cleaning the closet. I'm done cleaning the bedroom, although it's still pretty messy here in the bedroom since we still have our clothes over here. I'm already done cleaning the kitchen, but we have dirty dishes. We weren't able to clean the dishes last night because we were in such a hurry. If you've watched my previous video, I still need to clean the bathroom, like deep clean the bathroom, so that when we get out of the house, it's ready for the next tenant, if ever there's a next tenant already or not. Anyway, so I'll show you what I've done already. So today, can you see this, guys? I still have clothes to fold, but over here, this is our luggage. So I've already put my husband's clothes. So this is how I fold his clothes. It's called the filing method. And this actually helps a lot when you place this in the drawers because they're filed, so you can see immediately which shirts you're going to choose from. So this kind of folding actually helps me a lot right now, since all I have to do is just pick up a bunch and then just put it inside the luggage. So I'll just put it like this, and it's that easy, and then I can fit everything in here, and then I can close the luggage already. So anyway, join me in packing the whole house, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and please give this a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos. And also you can watch all my other videos. It's all on my channel. I have cleaning videos, organizing videos. I have vlogs as well, but lately I haven't been doing any vlogs because we're very busy. But hopefully once we settle in the new house, I can do some vlogs. So also, please comment down below. You can give me any advice on how I should pack things or any tips for me, because I'm very open to suggestions or comments. It's okay, you can give me tips because I'm still new. Anyway, let's start. Guys, so as you can see, I wasn't able to close the luggage. It will be like this when we transfer this to the new house because I've already exerted all my efforts to close this, but I can't. So we'll just be bringing it like that, okay? I don't want to waste my time on trying to close it anymore. And it's just a 30-minute drive from here, so that's okay.
Like I'm so perfect, like I know when I don't know. Like I deserve the shit that you put me through. I don't really do anything bad. You're just looking for a reason, get mad. Why you out here tweaking like that? Why do you go looking for something no I can't even say? Why do I get caught up in all of your selfish games? All you do is hate on me like every single day. All I know is something's gotta change. I don't lose my patience. I don't keep you waiting always. I don't make you crazy. 'Cause I'm looking amazing. Yeah. I told you I'm looking amazing. Yeah. Oh, 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 don't lose my patience. Don't keep you waiting always. Don't make you crazy. 'Cause oh, you know I'm looking amazing. Yeah. So perfect, like I know, no, I don't know. True. Alright, I might deserve the shit that you put me through, but I don't really do many things bad. You're just looking for a reason, get mad. Oh, why you out here tweaking like that? 'Cause I don't lose my patience. I don't keep you waiting always. I don't make you crazy. 'Cause I'm looking amazing. Yeah, yeah. I'm looking amazing. I'm looking amazing. I'm looking amazing. Yeah, and you know. Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah. I'm looking amazing. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, I'm looking amazing. Yeah.
Like I've said, I'm cleaning the bathroom before we leave. I'm going to use baking soda and vinegar dissolved in warm water to clean the sink and the shower. And I'm using the Thieves household cleaner for the shower glass and the mirror. And of course, I'm also going to scrub the toilet.
Blonde boy's blowing up my phone. I think he's in love with me. Reminds me of your voice. And even though we both made it out, you can still have my thoughts. Tell you through these songs. I write them as notes on my phone instead of writing you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Moments aren't ghosts in my mind, but they're bright and blue, and blue, and blue. And 10 years down the road, I'll still be sitting on the floor, writing about you, writing wish your mind was on fire. No eyes ever watched. Now you're searching for a different kind of high. Getting drunk on somebody else's lines. They come to me in words, no, I can't help it. Should probably just leave it, but I can't help it. Those moments are no ghosts in my mind, but they're bright and blue, and blue, and blue. And 10 years down the road, I'll still be sitting on the floor, writing about you, writing about you. Lines about midnight car rides and the color of your eyes. Thinking about you, thinking about you. Take a shower.
So, as I was letting the baking soda and vinegar solution sit in, I'm taking this time to pack all of our stuff in the bath. I wasn't able to film me scrubbing everything because I was kind of panicking at this time, so I forgot to film everything.
Still vivid, still feel it when I think about it. Still vivid, still feel it when I think about it.
So, I'm just going to show you now what our bathroom looks like after cleaning it.
Writing about you, writing about you. Lines about midnight car rides and the color of your eyes. Thinking about you, thinking about you. And 10 years down the road, I'll still be sitting on the floor, writing about you, writing about you. Take a shower to fight feelings again.
Hi guys, good evening. So, it's already nighttime. We've finished eating our dinner. We have packed, I think, 98% of our things. So, I still have here this dishwashing liquid and our soap. And I still have here our pitcher, but I've already almost put everything back into place. Look at the pantry, you guys. It's already empty. This jar is not ours, so I'm going to leave it here. I've already placed this here because it was here when we first arrived. But all of these are already cleaned, so I've washed them. So inside the pantry, you'll see it's empty. The fridge, I really wanted to take them out last because, you know, they're frozen and I don't want to spoil them or anything. I don't want anything to melt. But everything is almost packed. If you can hear the dryer, I'm still drying out the linens, but I've already cleaned the toilet. Everything is already clean. I have mopped the floor already. I'm going to mop in the kitchen as well. We're almost ready to go. I'm just finishing everything so that we can go. All right. I'll give you an update later. Bye!
Put out these fires in my headspace, 'cause I'm wide awake. Why am I awake? The city sits below and we take shots at the moon. I wanna give it to you. I wanna give it to you. Tell me, is it so bad? 'Cause it hurts like that when I think about it. We're both cynics now, it kills me, but I'd die for you anyway. Yeah, so scared when it hurts, right? There's no way around it. In too deep now, and we'll never be the same. My love won't sleep. My little ghost queen, keep haunting me.
This is how we're going to leave the house. It has been a wonderful experience for us here. I'm still excited to transfer to the new house, but we're definitely going to miss this one.
Love won't